So, welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about reciprocating piston engine in my presentation. So, what is a reciprocating piston engine? A reciprocating piston engine, or just a piston engine, which is easier to say and which it is more commonly known as, is an engine that converts the energy gained from the combustion of fuel into motion. In a piston engine there may be one or more pistons. Each of the engine's pistons are inside their own cylinder into which gas is introduced. When the gas is inside the cylinder, it is ignited by a fuel-air mixture. The hot gases which the ignition of fuel has created now expand and push the piston to the bottom of the cylinder, after which it will be returned to the top of the cylinder by a flywheel. With this movement, the exhaust gases will be pushed out of the cylinder and motor. After that, the piston lets more fuel into the cylinder, after which the cycle restarts. In most cases, the linear movement of the piston is converted to a rotating movement via a connecting rod and a crankshaft. The flywheel is used to ensure smooth rotation and to store energy to carry the engine through the unpowered part of the cycle. This means that the more cylinders there are in the engine, the smoother it will operate. A seal must be made between the sliding piston and the walls of the cylinder so that the cylinder will not leak, because if the cylinder leaks, the power of the engine drops drastically, because then some of the pressure produced by the gases will be misguided. To prevent this, piston rings are used in most of the engines. Piston rings are made of hard metal, after which they are sprung into a circular form in the piston head. The power of the piston engine is often measured in the cylinders it has and in cubic centimeters, meaning the volume of the fuel that the cylinder can displace at once. This means that the more fuel a cylinder can displace, the more powerful the engine is. For example, in Dodge Viper's engine there are 8,382 cubic centimeters, but normal car engines have only around 1,500 to 2,000 cubic centimeters. In the modern world, piston engine is one of the most commonly used engine type. They are used almost everywhere, ranging from huge diesel-driven ocean cruiser engines to tiny moped engines. They are used in airplanes too. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Peace out!